This tutorial I'm going to go over modeling. This is going to be part one, and I'm going to do two parts to keep these videos nice and short, but I'll show you the building blocks to get to modeling in this tutorial. So let's start with a cube, and I'm just going to get my move tool ready here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some different modes. So we've been on this mode right here. I believe it's on model mode. Model mode is just kind of like an object mode, and if you've used Autodesk Maya, it's you move objects, so you can move the full object in model mode. But there's other modes in here. There's this one, which is the points mode, edge mode, and face mode. These modes cannot be used until you make your shape editable. So I'm going to make my shape editable, and then I'm going to move to face mode, or they call it polygons mode in this program. If I'm in polygons mode, after I've made this editable, you can see now as I hover over this cube, the faces of an object light up. When I select one of the faces, it turns orange, and then I can move this specific face, being in this polygons mode. I can select any face I want. I can not only move a face, I could scale a face, and I can rotate a face. I could select multiple faces at the same time if I hold Shift and click, and then I can move two faces at the same time. I'm going to go to this mode now. This mode is edge mode, and if I hover over the edges of an object with my move tool here, you can see I can move edges. Okay. I'm going to move to this mode, which is points mode, or you might hear it called vertex mode in other programs, but I can select the points of an object, just like this. And I can't move or rotate, I can't rotate or scale points because they're just points, but edge mode, I can certainly, if I wanted to, I can scale edges, and I can also rotate edges. So as we get deeper into modeling in the next video, you'll see how we're going to use face mode to pull up new faces using what they call the Bevel tool. So stay tuned for my next video. Get some practice using these three modes, and remember, they do not work until you press the Make Editable button. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Give it a try, and good luck.